Okay, a lot of us, including me, are getting these little ultralight laptops. Mine happens to be borrowed by my daughter at the moment because she's off work. But here's the thing. Now, this is a C-type input, but this gives you a headphone output, or you could, I suppose, pump it to speakers, HDMI, a regular VGA type output. There's your another Type-C USB output. If you want to hardwire to your network, 2 different slots for SD type cards, memory cards, 2 more USB slots. I believe those are USB 3. Yes, USB 3. I mean, this converts your ultralight laptop into a full-blown PC pretty much. So there's not a whole lot I can say other than that. This is heavy. This is not a little plastic thing that's going to break on you. So all I can tell you is this is 5 stars. You need this if you got one of those little laptops like I do, or one of those little ultralight Apple AirPods or whatever they are. And I would say go get you one. This thing is great. 5 stars, no problem. Did I forget to mention that it comes with a waterproof pouch? And it's kind of soft, so you can drop it in your backpack. If you get caught in the rain, you don't have to worry about it. And it's also not going to scratch up your computer in the process. So, thought I ought to mention that because it is great for portable.